Hello, I am Justin Augustman, and today I'll be doing another exercise, but this time I will be jumping into the world of project management. So, in order for me to do that, I'll be utilizing a platform called Jira Software Cloud. So, a brief background on Jira. So, Jira basically helps teams plan, assign, track, report, and manage work. And most importantly, brings teams together for everything from agile software development and customer support to startups and enterprises. So, this is definitely the perfect platform where you can manage your tasks properly and make sure that your team can work efficiently and effectively. So, without further ado, let us jump into the exercise, or in this case, lab. So, there are three objectives that we are going to achieve for this exercise. So, number one, sign up for a Jira Software Cloud account. Number two is to create a company managed Kanban project. And number three is to create issues. So, for number one, or the first objective, is to sign up for a Jira Software Cloud account. So, I've already accomplished that objective. So, I just want to say a few notes when signing up for a Jira Software Cloud account. So, number one, you're asked to provide a site name. So, you can enter any name that you want, such as your team name or your first and last name, or just the initials of your name. So, whichever path that you want to go. In this case, or in my case, I've just used my nickname plus my last name as my site name. So, it's better if you have a site name that's easily to be remembered so that other people can access your site fast. So for the second note, please make a note of your site name and the email address that you use to sign up for the account. So that's just for emergencies, like in case if you forget the email address that you've used for your account, at least you already took note of it, and you can easily access from there. So for the third and final note, so this is just an optional thing. I would highly suggest to bookmark your home Jira page in your browser. This will be a much faster way to access your site. So, yeah, so that is for objective number one. And now for objective number two, we are now going to create a company managed Kanban project. So, for this objective, if you have or you have not created a project in the past, or if this is your first project, there is a whole nother process that you have to do. So the great thing about Jira is that they will guide you through it. So there are steps along the way if you um, if you have to create your first project. So just do follow those steps. So in this case, since I've already created projects in the past, you can just skim through, or if you have already done the same thing as me, then you can just follow the steps that I'll be doing. From here, we will click view all projects, and so this button will transport you or redirect you to your projects page where all of your projects are listed down. So from here, we will just click create project. So from here, on the project template screen, we shall select the software development tab on the left sidebar right here. So it's already a default tab. So from here, we will select the different kind of templates under software development. So for this exercise, we'll be using Kanban. And from here, um, Jira provides all the information on what a Kanban project is. So if you are interested or curious to know more about Kanban, you are free to do so. But I will not do that in this video. So I'll be moving on. So from here, we will click either of these two buttons. So I'll just click here, use template. From here, we will now choose a project type. So like I mentioned earlier, we will be creating a company managed Kanban project. So we'll just click the button here below. But if you guys, again, if are curious or interested to know more about what a company managed Kanban project is all about, you are free to skim through the information in front of you. So I'll now click the button right here, and from here I'll be creating or I'll be inputting the name of the project and the key. So for this project, I'll be naming it Project A. And after creating that name, a key is automatically created for you. So you can customize your own key. But in this exercise, I'll just use the default value. So from here, you can check the summary of the template that you're going to use or the project type. So if you do change your mind, you can just click these buttons right here to change the template or the type of your project. So from here, we will now be clicking create project, since we're already good with the foundation of our project. So once you click that button, this is what you are introduced with. So this is the Kanban board for a company managed project. So you can see 4 different sections: backlog, selected, for development, in progress, and done. So from here, I will not dive in too deep about the different sections on the Kanban board. I'll just introduce to you how to create issues. So yeah, let's start with that. So to create issues, you just click this create button right here. So oh yeah, I just want to keep you guys updated. We're already in objective number 3, which is the final objective. So from here, you can either do two options in creating an issue. It's either you import an issue or you can create one on the spot. Just import or just input the necessary information on the issue with regards to this project. So for the summary, from here, I'll just input in the summary field. So I'll just use this summary. So add item 1. And then from here, since I want to add 2 more issues, I'll just click this checkbox right here so that it will immediately create or reset the modal so that I could add another issue. So I'll just click create here, and the modal will be reset, and um, a a text will appear below saying that your first issue is now being created. So from here, we'll just do the same. Instead of add item 1, I'll just change 1 to 2. I will not input any other information anymore, but if you guys want to, then you are free to do so. So I'll just click create again. And then for my third and final issue, I'll just do the same, but this time I'll just use the number 3. And then from here, we'll click create, and the text below will show that we have created the 3 issues. So from here, you can check the different issues either clicking this link right here, or you can just click cancel and discard the issue that we're supposed to make. But since we won't do that anymore, so we'll just discard the issue and just keep the 3 issues that we've created. So that is how you create issues in the company managed Kanban board. So all of the issues will immediately reflect on your backlog section right here. And yeah, if you guys want to explore more, you can do that. But the exercise will stop here. And I hope you guys learned a lot. Even so I hope you guys have fun. And that is it for this video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.